In this video, I'm gonna show you how we transformed this simple shot into this epic establishing shot. If you want to do this kind of effect, there are some things you need to keep in mind just to make sure that your shot looks seamless and professional. Number one, your light source has to be consistent throughout the scene. You want your lighting to be natural and uniform so it doesn't break the illusion when you expand the frame. Number two, use a tripod. This gives you a stable shot, which is essential if you're working on effects like this. Number three, it's a lot easier if your subject doesn't interact with the areas you're recreating. For editing, I'll be using Final Cut Pro, but feel free to use any software you're comfortable with. First, we choose our hero frame. To export a frame in Final Cut, go to File, Share, Save Frame. But if you don't have this option in your export list, go to Add Destinations to include it. I'll go ahead to delete this so I can show you how to add it back to the list. Go to Add Destinations, click the Save Current Frame and drag it onto the list. And that's it. Now let's export our frame. Choose where you want to save it, name your file and save. Now that we are inside Photoshop, let's import our frame. Just looking at the picture, I want to even out the grass in the foreground. I will select this area and click the Generative Fill. You can leave the prompt window blank and the AI will create 3 different options for you. From the options, you can choose the one that best fits your scene. You can go ahead to generate more until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're satisfied, you expand the image and generate again. Now, this is the process you will continue until you get the desired extreme wide scene. Keep in mind though, as this will also increase the file size. Let's take a look at the project I actually made for this video. In my first layer, I created the foreground, and next I got this, and next this, and next this. Now for the mountains in the background, I actually prompted for this one. I just typed far mountains in the background and this was the result. Also for this, I typed mountains in the cloud. I didn't like this area, so I generated more options for it. Alright, now let's save the image and head back to the video editing program. Reduce the opacity, that is the transparency, to perfectly align the new image with the original footage. Resize it to fit. Use the masking tool to blend it seamlessly. Now to add some movement to our scene, I got this birds flying on a green screen and keyed it onto our scene. And our last step will be color grading to make sure all the new elements match the original footage. And that's it for this breakdown. Simple yet effective. Using just a few key techniques, you can transform an ordinary scene into something visually captivating. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into our filmmaking process. And please let me know in the comments if you ever tried something like this.
In the midst of our busy lives, take a deep breath. Let go of your worries and allow yourself to be present in this moment. Nature has a unique way of healing us, of grounding us. It reminds us that we are part of something bigger, something beautiful. Just like the trees that sway with the wind, we too can find balance and harmony in the flow of life. You deserve to be happy, to find joy in the little things. Celebrate the small victories, cherish the simple pleasures, and never forget to take care of yourself. You are worthy of all the good things life has to offer.